Not like Yosemite though, where there was mist everywhere and you were getting pummeled. A lot more calm here. Alright, so this is Sacramento International Airport. We got your terminals down that way, and we just have your overly priced shops here as always. A bag of chips gonna cost you like $50, but we need some snack and desserts. Got more stuff and more terminals down that way and more restaurants. But we're gonna stop here to get some water and maybe some honey. All right, now walking away with the breakfast of champions. Got the muscle milk, 40 grams, and the Red Bull. Let's go, ready for the flight. Esquire Grill. All right, so we're walking towards our gate. They got a Pete's Coffee here too. And then we have the mobile accessories. So you can get your knockoff AirPods.
Souvenirs.
And then, oh, what is this?
Souvenir. This is new.
Hey, you get stickers. Look right there.
Where?
$5. $5 plus tax for a sticker. I don't know. You guys let me know if that's fair.
I would.
All right, then get it. And of course, my favorite coffee brand ever, Illy. I should have gotten coffee from here. God damn it. Oh well. Going to B11. Babe. Cheers. So we're just here waiting for the plane to touch down. And we're about to board. Walking down the ramp. Alright, so we just boarded the plane. And onward bound to Vegas. Let's go. Pretty roomy. were here last time. We played on these machines, remember?
We won, remember? We won
Yeah.
$20.
Bagel Mania. That's actually kind of good. Moe's Southwest Grill. We got a Stella here. Welcome to
Hot
Vegas. The biggest smile on your face. Like a 1 or 2 stops. And as a pharmacy here for your
Vegas needs.
Gas X needs, Pepsid, Band-Aids, Dramamine. There we go, for your motion sickness. Alright. Dunkin' Donut. Baggage claim. Jamba Juice here.
There's like so many.
Candy. I was Jimmy John gift card.
Did you bring it with you?
Yeah.
I brought my card. Oh yeah.
You get a Jimmy John's. Make this big. Good.
Hopefully you're back soon.
Hopefully our baggage is here. Alright, so this is the waiting area to be picked up for Uber. Alright, so we're on spot D5. Alright, we're about to check in. The Mirage. Thank you. Oh, look at crickets in here. Yeah. Somebody just tell a bad joke. Hotel registration. Man, look at this line just to check in. Oh my goodness. Becky, go. We're gonna be seeing him too later.
So, Koi gets anxious. He was being a brat all morning.
But now we're all checked
No,
in.
no, no.
So we're gonna go. And there's the lobby bar. So it's nice and cool out here when it's like 108 outside. We got little mermaids here. Look at the spa. Just chilling in Vegas. About to go check into our room and see where it is. Floor, so let's head up. There we go. Going up. Down here. We're going straight. Look at these doors. Ooh. Well, hello there. Hello to you too. I didn't see you standing there. So this is our hotel room. We got ourselves a little bar.
Where's the volcano?
Look at this.
Big!
Full of alcohol, but it costs money. So we're not gonna use it.
Water?
It is cost of the money.
We can have a water.
And here is
The volcano!
view.
Look!
And there's the volcano view. Boom, right
We're
there.
right across from McDonald's, my favorite restaurant.
And there's the atrium right there. And there's Love Mirage. And later we'll be over there at the Encore watching Theo Von.
Diavon, if you see this, I'm so excited.
Treasure Island right there. And the Venetian, Paris. Nice. Alright, honey, change so we can eat. I'm hungry.
Can we turn on the AC without it?
Yep. It goes. I'm trying. Nice and cozy. Alright, so we just got changed and now we're gonna go out and explore the strip. And there's Steph right there putting sunblock on her legs. I think
It's
that's
lotion.
lotion. But yeah, we're gonna head out to the strip now. Let's go! Alright, so I just put on my Rode wireless mic, so hopefully this sounds a lot better than the mic device that came initially with the device. Oh, well, looks like we gotta go. All right, let's go. Look at these amazing flavors. Man. And there's a little mini Mirage inside the Mirage. And there was that dome that we were looking down earlier. There it is. Looking good. All right, so we just gonna head out to this trip now. Oh man, prepare to embrace the heat. Oh, actually not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, there it is. Yes, it does. What the fuck is this? We are at Siegfried and Roy Drive and Las Vegas Boulevard. We're searching for a place to eat. So let's go over there. And well, actually no, let's cross here. And then go on that side. Cantina. They got a Bumblebee and Mickey Mouse. Man, it's way too hot to be in that. There's the Link. Cosmo's down there. And there's the other side right over there. So we're gonna try to have White Castle. So let's see what this White Castle is all about here. Is it this way? I can't tell. I'm not sure what casino this is, but we're just walking through following the signs of White Castle. So, you know where White Castle is at?
White Castle boss?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut in through here.
Straight through there?
That last row of machines, there's an opening right there.
Oh, sweet, thank you. There it is. White Castle. Alright, so there's White Castle, the whole menu.
Fish starter too. I might get a
We've never been here, so it's gonna be our first time. Alright, so what do we got?
these are the
Tomato ketchup. Got tartar sauce. Yeah. So you get tomato ketchup, tartar sauce, and a shitload of these little tiny sliders. All right. Let's see.
Babe, try the fish one first.
I will try the fish one first.
And then tartar sauce?
Yeah. Apparently it tastes better with tartar sauce, so okay. And that's what it looks like. It's hot. Yeah. We should have got like a whole bunch of fish. All right, so again with the crinkle cut fries. Oh. I like the one from Yosemite a little bit better. The fish is really good. I'm gonna try their meat now. Wait, what is this? Why is it so small? But it's good though.
It's good.
I can see why Harold and Kumar needs like 50 of them.
Who?
Harold and Kumar? They ordered like 50 of them. What was the verdict for White Castle?
Not really worth it.
Yeah.
It tasted like if you put like a piece of
It's-
like a hamburger, like a frozen burger in.
It looks more like
microwave.
a piece of ham. That's the thickness of how the burger was in there.
The fish one was better.
The fish was good. So if anything, you go to White Castle, get the
And
fish.
you don't need to get like the big pack meals. Like you guys should like do the a la carte better and you would
Yeah.
get a better price.
There it is, Fat Tuesdays. We're gonna go in here and then get one of these. All right. See what they got in here. What's your best flavor?
Most popular is the Miami Vice. That's the bottom one.
Miami Vice. That's the best flavor.
Pina colada mixed together. It's really good. The most popular flavors are those two, the mango, the hurricane,
Want to do the yard dog, honey?
the raspberry.
Yeah.
Yard dog?
Yeah, I'll share one with you.
One mango.
Time to get lit.
Boston and cherry.
Sweet, thank you. All right, so here we are. We got the yard. Cheers.
We got the fancy juice in here.
What you got in there? Nice. Actually, this is amazing.
Let's go Harrison. Let's did Harris. I don't think we did Harris last time, did we?
We have Jeremiah.
Whew. That's delicious. Peach Bellini and pina colada. Definitely recommend it. We're about to walk into Harris. All right, Steph, what you got? Jackpot, let's go, jackpot. I think we should cash out. Excellent. Cashing out it is, because so far I think I lost $7. Not bad, but you know, it's good to set yourself a limit. Really? Actually, no, I do one slot because that one up there is completed. Bro.
See, if we would have gotten the purple one.
Last spin, here we go. Last spin. God damn it.
Let's go.
So Steph's about to play some backjack.
$1.
Ballin'. So Steph is mad that I placed a $10 bet and then we
On top
lost.
of a $5 bet. So you played $15 and then we lost it.
We busted.
You!
All right, so far we just went and had White Castle. We've been walking around and it's like 108 degrees outside, so a margarita later. So yeah, I mean, so far everything is okay.
It's not that, and the thing is, the heat is pretty bearable. It's not, and like if you dress accordingly, like I wore a dress, you wore like what, heat protection gear, so it's not that hot. And especially like if you go outside, you walk, you go back into the casino or hotel, you go there for like 30 minutes to an hour, you cool down, you go back out. So I think it's still bearable. What do you think?
I just don't like the heat, but yeah, I mean, trying to stay indoors at the hotel as much as possible is what I definitely recommend. So, yeah. All right, cool.
Yeah, because I finished all of this. Well, we did, but
Well, we'll get some more. The thing is though, the refills on these things are only 15 bucks. So initially they're $22 each, but refills only 15. So yeah, we'll be getting some more.
So our plans next are to go to the Venetian. That's probably my mom's favorite hotel. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna get some soap from this soap bar. Sit around, maybe get an ice cream.
Yeah, get some dessert. Man.
And then we got a comedy deal on later today, so I'm excited to look forward to do that.
It is 4:30 right now, so
We have
4 hours until.
no, 3.5 hours.
All right, sweet. We'll see you guys in a bit.
It looks like a white boiled chicken.
Boiled chicken.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it looked like a white boiled chicken. I want to look like a garlic roasted chicken.
All right, we're about to head in. And PSA, when you're walking, just don't stop. Because there's people behind you. My goodness. What the fuck is Masam inside? Look at this.
So pretty.
So nice. Even though it's blazing balls out here, but super nice. That's that club, Tao. Who?
That's his.
Tao Beach.
That's his. Saturday though.
The detail of this place is amazing.
They went down.
They went down? So downstairs is the casino portion in the Venetian.
So we're gonna tell them we'll just go upstairs. We're gonna tell them we're
And upstairs is the shops. There's the coffee bean and tea leaf. The Las Vegas gift shop. So, ooh, candy store. I'll take you to the candy shop. Hey, club tattoo.
I would like to get a tattoo.
Let's do it. Let's get a tattoo. So PSA, O2 bars are useless. Let's check out what they have in here. All these collectibles. So apparently this is all custom made for just this
There's
store.
A bourbon. There's another one over there. Bourbon. Japanese novel.
That's so nice. So for example, this one here, Feeling Stout, cask Irish whiskey. Got the wheat whiskey there.
I don't like wheated whiskey.
American whiskey. Does that maybe mean bourbon? But I guess if they don't have the corn content in it, it's not considered bourbon. Huh. Can you imagine having this on a big wall in our living room? That'd be so nice. All right, so here it is. It smells nice. There's Nectar. So this is inside the Venetian Shopping Center with the faux roof that makes it look like you're actually outside. Oh, actually, I think I might get one of these motherfuckers.
There's gelato at our place that looks like this.
Steph just alerted me that there's gelato at our hotel that looks a little bit better. So we shall go there. Look at this. Regis Gallery. Man, all that shit looks expensive.
We can't even afford to sleep in there.
Yeah, I don't want to walk in there and all of a sudden knock something over and then having to pay for it. We're gonna go in here later to grab some of our bath bombs. The best bath bomb shop ever.
I think we're gonna get a little bit more this time.
Nectar. They still send me emails. I don't know. But all of these are all bath bombs, but they look like ice cream.
We're gonna give them a couple days.
Yeah.
We gotta get some macaroni.
Yeah. Overall, very, very cute shop. Tommy Bahamas. Electronic place where you can buy all your exotics.
Place for electronics.
Is that a bar in there?
Steaks and chops.
Damn, looks nice.
We gotta show them the.
Looks like Stephanie caught on something. There's that anime. What is this? Harry Potter.
That's not because you know how it is when we're around anime.
But there's none of the anime stuff that you watch here though. Right there. There it is. How much are these figures up here?
So all of them are 25.
25 bucks? Okay. It's not bad, eh? Yeah. At first I thought it says sugar boobs, but it's sugar boo.
What would be a sugar boob shop?
I don't know. Is it where you go in there and you lick sugar titties? I don't know. It's Vegas, I don't know. And look at this. An indoor.
Last time, remember?
Yeah.
Look, the ice bar. Let's just step in there and see how it feels.
Over there's the ice bar.
Where's the bathroom?
-5 ice bar. So apparently this is a bar area where they'll give you loaner coats and everything because it's super, super cold on the inside. And yeah, and the pricings are 24 for full experience, coolest experience 49, and the VIP experience for $75. It comes with entry gloves, full fur coat, 2 cocktails, souvenir gift, and a digital photo.
So the basic package, you have to use a parka, but if you buy like the other package, you get a fur coat.
It's a rental fur coat.
Yeah, but you...
Faux fur coat.
Good, but not even that. It's you, for the first basic package, you get a regular fur coat.
Hashtag Vegas. Lobster me. I want to know what this is all about. So it's just a bar. It doesn't actually serve. Oh no, it does serve lobster. So you can get a lobster roll for 26 bucks. Crabs, shrimp. More gift shops over there. Casanova. Seafood and steak. That looks nice and cozy. Look at this.
Yeah, it's just all over.
It is. Looks nice.
Okay, from the restroom, we found it.
Steph's tiny bladder has found a restroom, so we're
Pizza.
gonna go to the
wanna talk about
restroom.
bladders?
I'm gonna wait outside for her.
We want to talk about bladders.
Go use your restroom. Go use the restroom.
They're
Cucumber
going back to the
lime.
Mirage. So they're going to the Mirage. So do you want to walk to Dinese?
All right, so we got the cucumber lime from Splash Fresh Gun Bar,
You have the option to get like a fresh water.
and then you can have any of these alcohol added to it too. So we got the cucumber lime. Let's see. Oh my god. I give that a 9 out of 10 on delicious.
Why not one?
Huh?
What happened to the one?
It has to be perfect.
This is perfect.
Fine, 9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. But
Same thing.
But okay, so what's the 0.5 missing? Where is it lacking?
If they had a bigger helping. So this is the food court of the Venetian.
Look at your favorite.
Halo Halo. Blue Saigon.
Okay, babe, let's get a super fuck right
What the
now.
fuck is this?
Let's get a fucking. We have to.
Fuck. Have to bang me. Curry pot. And we got your Johnny Rockets. Yeah. And you have your Panda. Cafe Pan, whatever the hell that is. It even has a Popeyes chicken and fries here. You want some wings? The hell is this? Beer and wine? Yeah. Why does Subway always stink? Yeah, there's always like that distinct Subway smell. It smells terrible.
Get started. Here we go.
Nice. There we go. So when you get a hangover, you can go to the Farm Box in the Venetian.
But we were smart and we brought our meds.
Yeah.
And we're back in square one.
5 moisturizers tips you get: avocado oil, apricot oil, almond oil, shea butter, and coconut oil. So whenever you're ready, just go ahead and rinse the hands. You just need to scrub for 30 to 45 seconds and then you're good to go. Right here. So we also have our upgraded bubble. If you guys like bath bombs, you're gonna like the bubble. So check this one out. So this one is made of a coconut milk powder for the base instead of just being, citric acid, baking soda. So when you add this one to the water, instead of just doing a little bit of fizz and a little bit of color, this one's going to turn it very thick and very milky. So check this out. It changes the full dynamic of
Instead
the
of buying
water.
like a whole
That almost looks edible.
avocado milkshake.
Milkshake, the avocado cream milkshake.
Let's go.
No, a mint milkshake. Come on, why do we have to say avocado? It does match with your nails though on the low.
Right?
On the low. So you want to feel it?
Yeah, for sure,
So
brother.
this one is a milk bath technically, but it's a vegan milk
Dude,
bath.
that is nice.
Super soft,
And
very
we take baths
moisturized.
all the
What?
time.
I'm telling you.
We're like bath people.
Ah, so you guys are bath ladies like me.
Hell yeah.
Whatever you guys like throughout the store, that adds up to $242. And then you get the bath. What do you guys think about something like that?
I think we're just gonna pick out.
Check it out.
Yeah.
But we do want that hand cream though. But I mean, if the stuff we're gonna pick out is gonna be more than that price, might as well just get this box.
That's what I'm saying. If you guys want to pick everything out, and if I notice that you guys can get a better deal, I'll let you guys know.
Oh yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Here's the cream for you guys.
Is that the hand cream, the non residue one? Alright.
I want the shower thing, the bath thing. You want to get like one really nice one?
Yeah. Look at these.
Look at these. Oh,
I thought you were about to eat that. I was like, babe,
what do you think?
I like it. And thank you for helping us out, man. Yeah. If you guys are in Vegas, come see this guy right here. Come see this guy right here.
See Thomas. I'll help you out.
Yeah, for sure. Yep. All right, so we just left Nectar, $163 lighter. But you know,
You did get a lot.
yeah, we did get a lot of stuff.
Here, let me tell you something. He's the type of person, if the salesperson is nice and genuinely caring, then you will, not that you will fall
That
for it,
dude
but
was genuinely nice.
Yeah.
Like I felt like a connection. And so I was like, yeah, sure, I'll help him out. We'll buy some stuff. But now, since we got all that bath stuff,
now he's allowed.
now I'm gonna go get myself a bottle of fucking bourbon. So
But it has to be the smallest bottle because he did spend okay, people, let me tell you, this guy spent $300 of a Belvini year 20.
But there's no price on taste.
He said, babe,
If-
I'm never gonna buy another one again. Babe. this is the only one. Babe.
All right, so we're gonna go back to that. Here we go.
Smallest one, babe.
We're back.
Smallest one.
So we end up getting the two bitch bourbon.
I was like, I love it though. It's like it matches him.
So it's gonna be shipped off to us.
Babe, you want me to sign for you?
It's time for me. I'm not gonna dispute it. So, all right. So I just got my bottle of bourbon. So it's gonna be shipped to us along with her bath products. So yeah. And apparently, if you buy it here, it's tax free, and they'll ship it over there for you. So that bottle was like what, $1.99.
180.
So yeah, cool. And that was $400 right there. Just spent, gone. Fucking Vegas. We're gonna head back towards the Mirage so we can change and gamble a little bit before we head out to the show. So see you guys back there. So nice. Hi, Steph.
So we haven't left the block.
Oh my God, the heat was unbearable. I was out there for maybe 10 minutes and I already like feel disoriented. Oh my goodness. But we're in AC now, so everything is well and good. Oh. Home sweet home. All right, guys, we just got dressed. Is that the flash? All right, guys, we just got dressed for the comedic event Mr. Teo Juan, or Vaughn, not Juan. Teo.
I mean, it'll be funny for us to go in Mario if you name himself Teo Juan. But that's just a suggestion. Little Teo is... We gotta hit the gym tonight too.
All right, we're gonna be on the way out. Let's go. All right, so Encore is where we need to be. So that's where we are headed. Can we get an encore? Do you want more? Cooking raw with the Brooklyn boys. All right. Round 2 of this 1,000-degree weather in Las Vegas. Las Vegas PD still drive these old ass cars.
They don't have funding. They don't go to casinos.
The fuck? That's weird. All right, inching closer to the Wynn and the Encore. To the left here we got Treasure Island with Senor Frog, and there's that battleship, the old pirate ship. Yeah.
Is that one? You like it?
Gillies, Las Vegas. Let's go to Gillies. First of all, I don't know what the fuck Gilly is.
You fucking knew because when we were walking, you're like, oh, Gilly. And I asked you, I was like, oh, do you know about Gilly? You're like, no, I don't. And then we walked by and there's naked women.
They're not naked.
Half naked.
Half naked maybe, but not naked. There's a clear differentiation.
Then I want to go to
Thunder down under.
and that. I want some thunder down under.
Oh my god.
So
We're gonna pass this little bridge here,
oh, I remember these.
so we don't have to get hit by cars. But the downside is there's stairs. Oh nope, never mind. They're escalators.
Last time that was
Yeah. Last time they weren't working, but this time they were. So thank goodness for that. And there it is.
Don't
The
worry.
parabolic freaking shape that burns your skin.
I think that they wanted to spell it like your last name, but they didn't want to confuse people, so that's what they named the wing.
Really?
Oh, you're sweating.
It's hot. And you can just see the sun beaming off of that building. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All these freaking cars. Who'd ever thought you'd build an oasis in Las Vegas, a desert? Alright, so over there's the Sphere. I guess the biggest in the world of its kind.
It's like an arena inside.
Yeah, arena, and outside you got the LED screens, everything on it. It's pretty impressive. Some of these hotels are freaking tall.
I mean, everything is there.
All right, and we're approaching a little mini waterfall here. Kind of like Yosemite Falls. It's not like Yosemite though, where there was mist everywhere and you were getting pummeled. A lot more calm here. right, we finally made it.
It took us like freaking 30 minutes.
Felt like 5,000 hours freaking walking in the sun. They have escalators.
You're gonna wanna go. You don't want to do the stairs?
Nope. My God, finally.
And that wait for like the only ones there who got the tickets. No, it was sold out. That one.
Yeah, it was sold out. I mean, some desperate attempts. They may sell it for like a couple of $100, but look at this, the beach club at the Encore. Huh. Encore.